Hello, I want to introduce my family. This is my family. Because I live with my husband, my daughter, my pets. This is my husband. His name is Juan Jose. He is 46 years old. He works in a company called Barnes. That company makes water pumps. He works as a controlling inspector since 6 months ago. He's a good person, hard work. Now I tell you about my daughter. Her name is Oriana Valentina. She is 12 years old. She is quite confident and excellent student too. Now my pet, its name is Gillo. He's like a boy in my house. In this photo you can see all together my husband, my daughter, my pet and I. That's all about my immediate family. The second one, my extended family. There are 6 people. This is my mom and my dad. My mom, her name is Anna. She is 59 years old and she is a housekeeper. My dad, his name is Melchizedek. He is 63 years old and he is retired. Now, they are my 2 brothers, Diego and Javier. Diego is 34 years old and Javier 30 years old. They are technicians. Now I tell you about my nephew. His name is Santiago and he is 1 year old. Now I tell you about my young sister. Her name is Angela. She is 24 years old and she is a student too. In this photo you can see all together my 2 brothers, my young sister, my nephew and I. And the last one, it's a pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Viviana Garcia. I'm 36 years old. I am a nursing attendant. I was in a company called Subsidio since 4 years ago. Okay, that's all about my family. This is my job. This is my activity. This is my video. I hope you have enjoyed this, and thank you for your attention. Thank you for your time, and see you soon, and bye bye. Thank you.